These are what we are currently dealing with up here in northeast Pennsylvania. Come on. Cicadas everywhere. They're loud little suckers. The males are the ones that make this creepy noise in the middle of the day. And they love hot. This is a tiny one. Little cicada. Normally up around here, they're in the earth for about 17 years. Then they come out for about 2 months to mate, and they die off again. What a way to live. I do apologize, my voice is kind of off. Got a cold again. Come on. Hey, buddy. They don't want to leave. Gonna name you Squeak. Or Squeal. Oh, there he goes. And he's off. Hey, landed over there on the tree. I just figured I'd show you guys that. That's pretty neat. Alright, I'll talk to you guys a little later. Yep.